Listen and practice speaking skills.
Hey Alex. It's such a beautiful day, isn't it?
Absolutely, Emma. The countryside is stunning.
I thought we could spend the day chatting in English. What do you think?
That sounds great. I could use some practice.
So, Alex, tell me about your typical day.
Well, I usually start with breakfast, then head to classes. After that, it's study time and, if I'm lucky, a bit of relaxation.
Sounds pretty standard. What do you enjoy doing in your free time?
I like exploring new places, trying different foods, and meeting new people. How about you?
I enjoy hiking, reading, and spending time with friends. Have you had a chance to explore the English countryside?
Not much yet. Any recommendations?
There's a beautiful trail nearby. We could go hiking together sometime.
Emma, learning English can be challenging. Do you have any tips?
Absolutely, Alex. First, immerse yourself in the language. Watch English movies, read books, and try to think in English.
That makes sense. But what about grammar?
Don't stress too much about grammar rules initially. Focus on communication. The grammar will come naturally with practice.
Any favorite English phrases you can share?
Well, break a leg is a fun way to wish someone good luck. And piece of cake means something is easy.
Emma, what's a cultural aspect that might be surprising for someone new to England?
The love for queuing. Brits take it very seriously. Also, saying sorry when it's not their fault, it's a bit of a cultural quirk.
That's interesting. In my country, we express politeness differently.
It's fascinating how cultures vary. What's something unique about your culture?
We celebrate big family gatherings and have a lot of traditional festivals. It's a time for joy and unity.
Alex, what are your plans after mastering English?
I want to pursue a career in international relations. English is crucial for that.
Excellent choice. Any dream destinations you'd like to work in?
I've always been fascinated by London, but who knows? Maybe I'll explore other English-speaking countries too.
The possibilities are endless. I'm sure you'll do great. Alex, what have you learned about English culture today?
So much. From language nuances to cultural insights. It's been enlightening.
Learning a language is not just about words, it's about understanding a way of life.
You're right, Emma. This conversation has been invaluable.
Well, Alex, it's been a pleasure spending the day with you.
Likewise, Emma. Thanks for sharing your language and culture.
Good morning, Mike. How was your night? How does your morning usually go?
Morning, Sarah. It was good, thanks. Just the usual routine: wake up, grab a quick breakfast.
Same here. I had my usual cup of coffee. Can't start the day without it.
The morning traffic was crazy today.
Tell me about it. I barely caught my train. It was so crowded.
Public transportation can be a hassle, but it's better than dealing with parking.
How's work been treating you lately?
It's been hectic. Deadlines are piling up. How about you?
Busy as always. I have a meeting later this morning. Lots to prepare.
I'm starving. What are you having for lunch?
I brought a sandwich today. Keeping it simple. What about you?
I might grab a quick bite from the deli down the street. Their salads are pretty good.
That post-lunch energy dip is hitting me hard.
I know the feeling. A cup of tea usually helps me get through it.
Good idea. I'll make a cup for myself too.
Any plans for after work?
Not really. I might hit the gym and then just relax at home. You?
I have a dinner reservation with some friends. Trying out a new restaurant.
How's your workout routine going?
It's alright. I've been trying to mix things up: cardio, weights, the usual.
I've been thinking about joining a yoga class. Need to de-stress.
The restaurant was amazing. You should definitely check it out sometime.
I've heard good things about it. Maybe next weekend?
Sounds like a plan. Let me know if you need recommendations.
I'm back home. Just going to binge watch a show to unwind.
Same here. Netflix and chill, right?
Exactly. Anything good you've been watching lately?
Well, it's been a long day. Time to hit the hay.
Agreed. Good night, Mike. Sleep well.
Good night, Sarah. Catch you tomorrow.